A whiteboard to me is the most important piece of office equipment in your office. I think it is critical that you have a whiteboard that shows your initiatives and strategic goals for the year, maybe for the quarter. It depends on how your business runs. Not your to-do list, but the things, the bigger projects and initiatives that you need to be working on. This is my whiteboard for the year. And what I need to be doing to make my business successful. I also have a to-do list that sits right on my desk that I need to do every day. But the reason I'm passionate about a whiteboard is because this is a very nonverbal way of making it clear to everyone who walks in your office that you are not here to get them their check stub. You are not here to make a change to their address in payroll. These are the things that you are hired for. You may do those other things as part of your customer service initiatives, but it is not what you were brought into the business to do. And only if we take ownership for publicizing these things can we expect the rest of the business to know and understand what we are here to work on.